All right, drone footage here for 1115 South Overhill Court. And I do have to apologize, it is not a ton of drone footage, but we got what we could. So take that in, you're gonna see this house, and it is very impressive. So again, with the boots on the ground tour, you'll see that, but this is just to give you a sense of the neighborhood. Clearly you can see the proximity to some of the major thoroughfares with 95 and of course Naaman's Road, and get a little sense of the neighborhood. So really nice how it wraps around here and you back up to someone else's backyard. Again, my personal opinion. But take that in. You'll see the sign too. It is listed by both Janet and Jackie Patrick at Patterson Schwartz. So there you go on that front. And yeah, I mean, some of these shots, it got a little windy. So again, my apologies. But you can see the roof. You can see the size of that backyard. Fairly flat, that backyard, I did want to say. And there you go, just take it in. I'll let the music play out a little bit on this one since we didn't have a ton of drone shots. And right after that, we'll get you inside for the boots on the ground tour.
All right, 1115 South Overhill, boots on the ground tour here in Wilmington, Delaware. I want to get this in there. Jackie and Jan have been fantastic. So they are the listing agents on this one. There's their direct contact information. And tell you what, let's go over this way. Not lose our eyes on these branches. And check out this side. So brick in the front, siding right here. And get a nice glimpse of that backyard. Oh, pretty big and flat. It's like a newer AC unit out there, flat deck. And let's go on the other side too. See what we're up against. Oh, I mean, that's just from the cold. It is still chilly. All right, good. So probably right where the fence line is, and this one you can walk right in. So here we go. There's the backyard. Sliders there. Nice flat deck. Frost free for the hose. And this is a Goodman. All right. To me, that looks really new, but we'll check the disclosure. There we are. That's the backyard. Let's get you in the front door. Take a little view of the neighborhood here. Yeah, very, very convenient to Naaman's Road here and not far from 95. There you go. Perched on a little bit of a hill. So the driveway here slopes down nicely. Means no water should be getting in here. I'm always concerned about pitch. But this one is great. So in we go. Oh, wow. Very nice. Boots are coming off in this corner. Even that light fixture is nice. All right. I mean, the pictures were great. Don't get me wrong. But this is looking really good. All right. Actually wanted to see what this is. So it looks like tile, but it's some type of floor that goes down just like laminate. Check that out. Very cool. Wow, gives it an awesome look. All right, I digress. So in your foyer, here you go. That was the coat closet that I was just inside. Essentially a bow window there, the way it's situated. Hardwood floors, neutral paint. Oh yeah, move-in ready. Newer windows too, by the way. These are crankouts. So they don't open like double hung. And let me see here. Same thing. All those windows there are crankouts. Into the kitchen. All right, just checking the floor. All right, nice and smooth. Let me spin you around. That is a big kitchen. If somebody wanted to, I think they could probably put an island in there. I mean, do your own due diligence, of course. Wow, a lot of LED lights. And basically, I'm going to tuck in this corner here. It's a true eat-in kitchen. Look at those cabinets. It's a lot of cabinet space. Really cool. I like their granite selection. That's a nice choice. Personal opinion, obviously. Just letting you know, dishwasher, gas range. There's no microwave above that, so you'd have to bring your own or do that. And there. And let's just take a peek. Oh yeah, a lot of storage space. Phenomenal. And while I'm here, yep, garbage disposal. Just wanted to make sure most of North Wilmington will have that. All right, so there's the kitchen. Looks like there was a little kitty door. Back room here with the sliders that takes you out to the deck. I believe this is brand new carpet. Looks really good. Again, I'll check the disclosure and check everything for you. But, make sure this was locked. Yep. So it's locked, which is sufficient. Sometimes people put, the stick in there just for an extra layer of security. All right, ceiling fan. Nest thermostat. I checked to see if that comes with it. We have a powder room back here. All right, get a look at that. And then the garage. So 1-car garage. Spin you around. You have a window here. Oh, you have a nice little, I'm gonna call it a bump in. Great place if you want to bring your trash cans there or just additional storage because it's not in the way of the car. You have a garage door opener. Yeah, good solid garage. All right, I'll tell you what, spin around, make you get your bearings. We're gonna go this way, all the way around, super fast, and we're gonna head up before we do the basement on this one. Looks like Berber carpeting. That stuff I see it a lot down the beach, and I used to put in carpeting for many years, so it is good stuff. Actually can, okay, got some lights. Oh wow, cool. This is an additional room. Fantastic. And that's high. Great, I mean, a lot of possibility. I'm thinking out loud, someone could even turn that into a closet, and I think that's what they did with that and that. So, up to you what you'd want to do with it, of course, but good to have extra space. And Berber carpet, what I want to say is it wears really well. It lasts a long time. Here's the whole bath. Window out there. All right. I think that's a one-piece tub surround. If not, I'll check. But nice, neat, and clean. And then down the hallway we go. So bedroom 1, bedroom 2, bedroom 3, bedroom 4. So 4-bedroom house. Hardwood floors. Wow, lots of windows in here. This is a good sized room. Ceiling fan. You can spin you around, tuck you in this corner. And these are newer windows, by the way. Double class vinyl, serpentine. All right. And I do imagine hardwood floors are in the hallway too. So if you did want to take up the carpet, there should be hardwood under there. But again, always do your own due diligence. So this room looks over the backyard. Same with this one. You got the side yard. Oh, just side yard look. Okay. Crank out windows. Cool ceiling fan. And then the 4th bedroom. All right, ceiling fan there. Double hung windows. A closet. Actually, a good sized closet. It goes back. And, good thing I opened that, access panel for the attic. So many of these homes will have the attic access with pull down stairs right here in the hallway. And you go up. But again, if you're gonna store stuff up there, it makes it easier. Otherwise, that is one of the main areas where you can lose, well, efficiency, heating and cooling. So, I'm torn. Mine, I never go up in my attic. All right, down we go. Let's get you to the basement. Bring eye level. All right, back in the kitchen. Spin you around without getting you dizzy. Kitty door. Down we go. Lights already on. I like it. So block construction. You have a French drain around the perimeter. There's your water line coming in, your main water line. Just for fun, ever an issue, you just turn that a quarter turn and that will shut off your water. Actually, they did it right. They have a valve there and a valve there. So you can turn that one off whenever they, update that water meter. But it looks newer. So enough about that. All right, laundry's down here. There's that Goodman system that matches the unit outside. 2 pipes, so it's high efficiency. Here we have your gas line coming in. There's your gas meter. I'll tell you what, I'm 5'10". I got plenty of room down this basement. So, letting you know, there's the filters. Water heater is gas fed. There you go, with an expansion tank. And that's proper too. All right. Sump pump. Here is your panel. Looks like newer wiring. I'll check all that for you. All right. That's it. Your laundry's here. It looks like a gas line. It is. So gas dryer, the way it's currently set up. And that is all. Oh, you have a sink over there too. Didn't want to miss that. So there you are. I'll spin you around, show you this basement one more time. There you go. A lot of potential down here. And let's bring you up. We'll lead you in the kitchen. And then quite honestly, if the wind's not too bad, we'll get some flying in. So there you go.